Hi there. So today we are repairing granite worktops. Behind me you can see the little arrow pointing to the damage. I'll give you a close-up of that one. Yeah, so as I home in on this, you'll see there's a definite chunk out of the granite there, and we're going to sort that out. So we're working on the colour here. This is a more complex kind of colour than you would normally be working on, because of course the mottled finish of the granite's got many colours in it, so we have to make some of these in order to replicate it. This is me working on the base colour, the basic colour that granite is. Getting closer, obviously. We'll be adding other colours on top of that to blend it. So that's that worktop sorted out. The job done. You can still find it, but you're not going to, when you run your hands over it or something, you're not going to feel it or notice it. And you'd have to know where it was and know what to look for in order to find it. Okay, so I am Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and bathroom fixture repairs, and any hard surface repairs like granite or marble. Okay, call us if you need us.